What's different with Midwest is, we're willing to invest significant time, money, and resources to achieve better outcomes. And we're talking about better outcomes for the employee, certainly the employer, and certainly ourselves. And I think that's what makes us truly different when you're looking at who should you partner with in an excess business. Not someone who's simply writing checks, but someone who's going to be able to share, obviously, what they know that can lead to early intervention or the capability to achieve what we feel are superior outcomes in very, very difficult claims.
MECC is different than other excess or reinsurance companies. Most claim departments at other companies are relatively passive. They get status updates from the underlying carrier or from the TPA on a self-insured program. They're evaluating their reserves and they're processing reimbursements. We strive to be the absolute best claim department in our space. We do it through predictive modeling, which helps us identify claims earlier that could be problematic. The experts that we hire, we apply that expertise to the claims in order to help mitigate the costs and save our customers money. Part of that involves engaging the best vendors out there, whether it be a pharmacy benefit manager or functional restoration programs or cognitive behavioral therapy to try to help people cope with the injuries that they've had. It's our role to help injured workers to recover, to get better, because that reduces the cost of claims in the long run. By helping injured workers to get medical treatment, to send them to the premier medical providers around the country, we can help them get better and save our customers and us money at the same time. Caring for the injured worker and doing the best thing for them is a cost-effective strategy. It really is, which is what makes it a win for everybody. On average, of the injured workers that we've had graduate from a functional restoration program thus far, the savings has averaged $825,000. Over the past 3 years, we've settled about 1,000 cases. We saved over $250 million within customers' retentions as a result of those settlements.
So if you're looking at a partner that can help you lower your total cost of risk, or lower your client's total cost of risk, certainly, that's why we feel we're a better fit than our competition.